Urgent hiring for assistant manager or deputy manager HR. BL Agro Industries Ltd, a leading FMCG and edible oil company, is looking for an experienced HR professional to join its team in Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Position: assistant manager or deputy manager HR. Location: Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Experience: 10 to 12 years. Qualification: MBA, PGDM in human resource or equivalent. Key responsibilities: manage PF, ESIC, payroll and statutory compliance, handle Form D, Year 1, Year 2 and other statutory records, prepare HRMIS reports and analyze data using MS Excel, ensure labor law compliance and support HR operations, audits and documentation, coordinate with internal team and government authorities. Preferred profile: a strong knowledge of PFESIC, labor law, Form D, Year 1 and Year 2, hands-on experience with Shaver, HRMS payroll software, advanced Excel skills, pivot table, XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, MIS, data analysis. Subject line should be application for assistant manager और डिप्टी मैनेजर HR। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड है इस जॉब में तो अपना रिज्यूम भेज करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं नीचे दिए गए ईमेल पर। थैंक यू।